Hello everyone, welcome back to my Unreal Engine open world tutorial series. So in this episode I'm going to show you how to I reworked and on blending this rock with the landscape. So this is the end result today. So I worked on this system and did some modifications to the landscape material so that this rock and the ground matches better than before. So yeah, that's what I am going to do today. Blend in the rocks with the landscape, and also I did some changes to my atmospheric fog settings, so that's why you can see a better effect in the distance. You can see these mountains are blue, and because of that these mountains look better than it used to do in previous episodes. Okay, so let's get started. And as always, this episode is sponsored by these generous patrons. Thank you very much for the support you guys are giving me. Right, so I'm gonna give another try on how to blend these rocks with this landscape layer. So for now I have reverted and used the original color of these rocks textures and the material. So I have removed that effect I did yesterday. Right, so to get started with blending the colors, first instead of this black texture I'm going to try a brown texture. So for that I have imported this Icelandic rocky ground material from also from the Megascan. So I'm going to use this texture for the landscape materials layer 1. Currently I am using this T-Rock basalt from the starter content. So let's try this one and see what happens. Okay, let's change the normal map as well. Right, now it looks like this, and it's pretty bad in the distance, but first let's focus in the closer range for now. And now as you can see here, because of the tint effect I have added to this landscape layer, this seems bad, this tint effect. So maybe I'll, instead of this black tint, I'll make it white, and let's see how it looks now. Still it looks a little bad. Yeah, maybe I should implement a way to completely get rid of tint if I want. But this tint effect helped me to reduce the tiling effect a little bit. Okay, maybe let's try to match the colors. So at the moment, as you can see here, this rock color is lighter than this one. I'll get a screenshot for reference. Right, and alright, so how to match these things? Let me open this one and I'll place it like this. Right, now we have this saturation. Maybe I'll try something like 0.6. Is it too much? 0.7, 0.8. Now I think they are starting to blend together. Yeah. So if I open the previous screenshot, it is like this before. No, it is like this before and it's like this now. Before and now. Yeah, I think this one is better, of course. Right. So what else we can do to blend these two things? And you can see some green effect, something like moss in this area. So instead of a black tint, maybe what if I add a green tint? Well, let's see. L1 tint. Oh, that's bad, definitely. Let's try to pick this color. Let's go closer and pick this color. Well, actually this is not good. Not very good. Should I keep this effect or remove this? I'm not sure. Shall we try another green? Brown. Well, anyway, I think this is good enough for now. Yeah, it's not as bad as before. Well, no, let's add create a way to completely get rid of this tint noise. Let's create a method to get rid of this tint noise, and let's see how does it look without tinting part. So for that, I'll what's the rock layer, L1. Okay, for that I'm using this MF layer, and here, okay, this is the place which I get this near noise with the tint. Okay, let this is the noise output. I'll take this one and multiply with another function input. I'll define this function input as tint intensity. It should be a scalar, and the default value, why is it a vector 3? It should be a scalar. Oh wait, default value should be 1, and then let's multiply it here. Did it compile? I guess so. Now where's the option? No, I think I didn't compile it. Okay, now we have an error. So right now I'll promote this to a parameter. I'll call it L1 tint intensity, and I'll keep default value as 0 because at the moment I want to completely get rid of this. What's the error? Base color. Yes. What the error I'm getting? Missing function input. Didn't I add this? Do I have another? Right, what's this layer? This is the same layer. Right. This is for auto part and that one is for manual part. Alright, let's wait the shade until the shaders are compiled. Okay, now this is how it looks, completely without the tint. Now let's open this one back and change the saturation. Let's try 0.5. Let's see it from distance. 0.6, 0.55. I think this quite matches now. Yeah, it's quite good. Okay, so now what about this distance? In the distance, actually this scene looks pretty bland. Yeah, I think okay, I'll close this texture now. I think the reason is we don't have proper atmospheric fog. Let's increase the atmospheric fog and see how can we boost the realism of the scene. Let's select this angle. Yeah, it looks better now. Yeah, in the distance the mountains starts to look blue, which is very good. This sun multiplier. I'll keep it as one. still not enough fog in this range. Maybe we should decrease this start distance. What if I put 10,000? Oh, wait. What if I put 1,000? Oh, that's bad. 5,000. Alright. And at some range it looks yellow now. For some reason, I'm not sure. Let's try 8,000. Okay. But in the distance it looks very good now. Yeah. Okay, so now for the tiling. Maybe let's see. We have some option to control tiling. We should have. Scale. Distance scaling. Right. Oh wait. Is that common for everything? Yeah, okay. Let's further reduce this. Right. Now we don't have the tiling effect. And if I reduce this, if I lose the details and reduce it to a single color, this should be better, but I'm not sure. Okay, anyway, I think I should stop at this point for now. Oh wait, what is this? Okay, I'm gonna stick with 0.02 for distance scale. And yeah, so okay, I'll stop this episode at this point. And yeah, I'm quite happy with the results, but hey, we can do something about these edges, isn't it? Yeah. Right, let's open the material of this rock. This is the material instance and this is the material. Okay, so here, yeah, I got rid of this top layer part for now, but maybe I will add something to that later. Right, so we can use the previous setup we have used in previous video. I mean this one, this Unreal blending foliage meshes with landscape, episode 309. So we can try this effect here. So as I have done there, pixel depth, offset, well, let's try, oh, not this one, pixel depth. Wait, this should be some other option called offset. Oh, I think is it available only for opaque mask materials? I'm not sure. Sorry, I have to promote this one. Yeah, that's what I did there. So for this value, this is 0 now. I'll apply this. And here, if I increase this value, you can see something right now, but that's not what I need to happen. Actually, what I need to do is this. We have to use the temporal AA node and this random. I'll promote this to a parameter. I'll keep it maybe 5, and then multiply this with this pixel offset parameter and apply. Okay, now if I increase this, you can see this edge is blending with the land. There is no more sharp edge. If I keep increasing the randomness, if I make it, no, let's make it 0, no, 1, and if I increase this happens. That's not good. But we have a soft edge now. Maybe 5 is better, and for this one also 5 is better. Right, now it's better, but in the distance it doesn't look any different. Only in the close range we can see the smooth edge. So yeah, I don't think it's that important for now. Okay, but we can see some tiling effect in this texture, so we should do something about that. But I'll stop this episode later, because I only wanted to focus on matching the colors of rocks and the landscape for now. And yeah, if you like to support my work, you can get the membership of my Patreon club. Link would be in the description below. And thank you for watching. See you in the next episode. Goodbye.